First up, from Hot Wheels Mopar, we have the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. From Hot Wheels Rally Champs, we have the Lancia Delta Integrale. Hot Wheels J Imports, we have the Subaru WRX STI. New for 2023 from the Hot Wheel Roadsters, we have the 1972 Stingray Corvette. From the Hot Wheels Art Cars, we have the 76 Greenwood Corvette. And with another Corvette, this time from Hot Wheels of the 80s, the 84 Corvette. From the Hot Wheels Turbo set, we have the Aston Martin Vantage GTE in the Gulf livery. From the Then and Now series, we have the 1981 Chevy Camaro. Also from the Then and Now series, the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Next up, a 2018 Camaro SS. Next up, a Scion FRS in the pink livery. And from the same set, we have the 1988 Honda CRX. And new for 2023 from Retro Racers, we have the Ford Escort RS 2000. 2022, from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics set, we have the Nissan Silvia S13. And from the Nightburner set, we have the 71 Datsun 510 in the Momo livery. From the Hot Wheels Ultra Hot, we have the 73 Ford Falcon XB. Also from the Ultra Hot series, we have the 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. Next up, the Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback from Hot Wheels Ultra Hots. And last up, also from the Ultra Hots, 1971 Dodge Demon.